today. Now this is the diagram of the soil. First of all, the thin layer of the soil or thin layer of the grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. Whatever the upper surface of the earth is there, which is grainy substance, is known as soil. And it is naturally linked to land because soils are formed by the mountains only. So landform determine the type of soil. As you know, in science you may have read soil is made up of some organic matter, minerals, and weathered rocks found on the earth. Weathering, you know, in science may you have read about weathering.
Yes, sir.
The breaking up and decay of exposed rocks by temperature changes, frost action, plants, animals, and human activity. The cracks come in the rocks and slowly it expands. And one time comes, it falls down. The rock breaks and it falls down. And after hundreds and thousands of years, this rock changes into the soil. So this breaking of the rock is known as weathering. So soil is formed.
Yes, sir. Breaking up and decay of exposed rock.
So weathering is the process through which the soil is formed sometimes. And the right mix of minerals and organic matter makes the soil fertile. If the organic matter and the minerals are there in sufficient quantity, then the soil becomes fertile. Now soil. It takes hundreds of years to make just 1 centimeter of soil because of the weathering and then other. Now this is the soil, structure of soil. You see top soil with humus. Humus means fertile minerals and organic matters present in that, and vegetation. So it is done with vegetation here. Second soil is subsoil with sand, silt, and clay. Then the third part is weathered rock material, the rocks which are broken away due to weathering. And this is the parent rock through which the soil is formed. So this is the layer of the soil or soil profile. You can call it soil profile. So if the diagram comes of the soil or to explain about the soil, you have to make this Mr. Soil diagram.
So with the shoes or without the shoes?
To explain the soil. With Mr. Soil, you have to draw. It's called Mr. Soil, soil profile. Beautiful face. Now the factors of soil formation. Climate. In this climate come temperature, rainfall, influence, rate of weathering, and humus in climate. Then time. In time comes determine thickness of the soil profile, determine how much time it took to make the soil. It depends upon that thickness of the soil. Then parent rock, determine the color, texture, chemical properties, minerals, and content permeability. It depends. Rock is formed from which material, on which area. So it tells us which type of color is the rock is or texture is, or what type of chemical properties other minerals are present in that. It shows that. Then the relief, altitude and slope, and it determines the accumulation soil, how the soil has been collected or gathered. Then flora and fauna and microorganisms that affect the rate of human formation. If the microorganisms are present in sufficient quantity, then the soil will be full of humus, and that's why it will be fertile. If microorganisms or flora fauna is less, then it can be less fertile for some time, maybe infertile, if it is not present at all, humus or microorganisms. So they are the important source of soil formation. Now the main part, degradation of soil, means loss of soil. First is soil erosion and depletion are the major threats to soil as a resource, because soil is very, very important resource for us. So erosion and depletion of forests are leading to destruction of soil. Both human and natural factors are leading to the degradation of soil. कौन से हैं? Deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizer, pesticides, rainwash, landslides, and flood. These are the factors deforestation, cutting of the forest. Overgrazing, we are sending the animals there and they are overgrazing. That means they are pulling up the roots of the grass. As a result, the soil comes out and soil becomes loose, and more chances are there that if rain comes or water flows or air flows, it will wash away or it will go away. By overuse of chemical fertilizer pesticides, we are killing the humus or microorganisms present with that, and that led to infertility of the soil. No use. Rainwash also helping in degradation of soil, taking away the upper layer of the soil, fertile soil. Landslide and floods are the other major threats to the soil, doing the degradation or destroying the soil. Degradation means destroying the soil or lessening the soil. But which soil? Fertile soil. Now the methods of conservation, how you can conserve this soil. First is mulching. The left ground between the two plants. If you grow two rows of the plant in between, the land is left. That is covered with the organic matter like straw, which has to retain the soil moisture because it absorbs the water. So water will remain there only, and it will help in the preserving the moisture. It will not flow away or it will not evaporate or not go into the. So between the bare ground between the two plants, they have put the raw or organic matter like raw straw, which absorbs the water and water remains there. So but moisture is there in the soil. Other is canto barrier. Stones, grass, soil are used to build barriers along contours. Trenches are made in front of the barrier to collect water. I will show you contour in a minute. How these contour barriers are done. Then rock dam. The stones are put up to stop the flow of water, especially on the mountain or hill areas. So that prevent the gully and further soil loss. Gullies you have seen maybe going to Makkah, Medina, the mountains are there. You will see there is only stones are there. A gap is there. That is not gully. Gully means lane. If you see the mountain truth, you will find at some places there is only rocks are showing, and it is like a drain because the water is flowing every day from there, and whenever rain is there, water is flowing from that area only, and it wash away the soil. Only rocks are remaining sometimes, and it goes down, and sometimes becomes very big, and trenches are formed. So these stones are piled up so that flow of water stops. As a result, soil will not be loose; it will remain there only. Terrace farming made on the steep slope so that flat surfaces are able to grow crops. It is cutting them into this soil, then cutting them with this soil, then cut them, then this soil, then cut them, so that water doesn't flow quickly. It stops there on the like a terrace. So these two slopes are cut into flat surfaces so that water flow can be stopped and soil erosion can be stopped. Intercropping. Different crops are grown in alternate rows and are sown at different times to protect the soil from rainwash. Because the more plant you grow, the more soil is bind, and the soil is bind, it will not flow. So degradation of the soil will not be there. So they between two crops, they grow the alternate crops at different times so that soil can be protected from rainwash. Because
so can you repeat the intercropping? So can you repeat the intercropping?
Intercropping when they are growing two crops, different crops are grown in alternate rows. In one row they are growing something, another row they are growing something. And they are shown
we learned this in science as well.
And they are shown at different times, not at one time. At different times they are shown so that soil can be prevented from rainfall. The more plant you grow, the more chances the soil will not be washing away because the plant binds the soil, and the soil is bind, it will not flow. If the water flows, the soil will not, upper layer of the soil will not flow with the water. It will stop there only because of the plant. So they are growing alternate plants in alternate rows. One plant, then they are not leaving the ground empty, so that upper surface runoffs goes away with the water. It protects the soil by growing the crop. Contour plant parallel to the contour of slope to form a natural barrier for water to flow down the slope. And shelter wells, especially in the coastal and dry area, they are growing plants, trees. So that wind which is coming from the sea stops with that those
Yes,
trees
sir,
or walls,
absolutely. Yes.
so that it cannot come into the nearby areas and wash away the soil. It's protecting them, so they are building the shelter banks there, either wall, strong walls, or they are growing trees, so that it stops the flow of water in the air also. Because in the sea coast, air will be flowing very heavily. It may blown away the nearby soil, fertile soil of the coast. Or water comes up, then it goes back to the sea and it will wash away the soil, fertile soil. So to protect them, they are building shelter belts, growing trees or walls in the coastal area. Now I will show you this is the this is terrace farming green. You see, they are cutting that in between the mountains so that flow of water stops. It doesn't flow very quickly. It stops in between. So if suppose water is flowing from, if soil is brought from here, it will stop here. The soil will leave the soil here. So fertile soil will not blown away quickly, because if the barriers are not there, the flow of water will be quickly and all the soil will be washed away. So they are growing this terrace farming like this. They are cutting the mountains so that water stops. Flow of water check. This is contour bearing. This contour playing on the edges of the mountain. They are doing this. This is rock dam, building with the rock, stopping the flow of water, flow of river. Dams are also like that. Shelter well
Sir, I
like
didn't
this.
understand contour flowing.
Contour playing, these are edges of the mountain. As you see, when the mountains are cut, you see the edges of their layers are there of mountain.
Oh, okay.
So on this layer of the mountain, they grow crops so that water of the flow of water stops. So on the edges of the mountain, they are growing crops so that flow of water stops and the degradation of weathering of rocks stops. This is shelter well like this. They are growing trees so that water of the river water and movement of air can be stopped. Because if the air will come, it will blow away the soil air, and water will come, it will go back. It will take the soil with them. So fertile soil will be wasted. So they are building this so it protects them from the wind also as well as from checking the soil erosion. So this is the known as shelter. I will try to show you the video of the tomorrow. You will get the idea of this. Now, water. Before water, some questions. Good.
Sir, questions on soil.
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. इसको किया जाए जब So this is known as, now we will do the question, some question, then we will move to water. Last question.
Sir, do you have to write in your book?
Nana. You want, you can write. What are the major
Can
factors?
I say?
Yeah.
Sir, climate, time, Flora, fauna, and microorganisms relieve parent rock.
Good. Or you can write, these are the factors which are affecting the soil formation. The major factors of, write somewhere, of soil formation are the nature of the soil, are the nature of the parent rock, from where it is formed. Parent means from where it is formed, by which rock it is formed, and
Climatic factors.
climate factors. These are the major factors. And more are there. Other are topography. That is the physical
Is the question
condition.
answers?
That means physical condition of the rocks, where it is there, how role of organic material, and time taken
for the
for the
composition of
composition of soil formation. Yeah. The various factors are the nature of the layer and rock, climatic factors. Others are the topography. Other factors are the topography, role of organic material, and time taken for the composition of soil. But they differ from place to place. Very good. Now, next question. Question second. What is weathering?
So weathering, the breaking up and decay of exposed rocks by temperature changes, frost action, plants, animal, and human activities.
Very good, Adil. Right done. Human activity is the most one. Here one describing the soil. Third question. Very easy. What is or define soil? Define soil.
The thin layer of green substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil.
Very good. Thin layer of grainy
substance
and covering the surface of the earth is called soil. Next question. What are the factors? What are the factors affecting the formation of
Parent rock, relief, flora, fauna, and microorganism, climate, time.
Very good. Parent rock, climate.
Time,
Very good. Above one only. This one only. Little bit. Parent rocks,
relief,
climate,
time,
time,
relief,
leaf,
flora, fauna,
fauna, and
flora and
microorganisms.
fauna,
and microorganism.
and micro.
Sir, fauna spelling is
So parent rock, climate, time, relief, flora and fauna, and microorganism are affecting the soil. Formation.
Sir, fauna has a flora and fauna.
Flower and animal. Flower and animal. Or living things. Important question is this. Yes, okay. Good. Last question for today. Now, the what are the factors leading to the what are the factors leading to the degradation of soil or soil erosion?
Factors which lead to soil degradation are deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizers or pesticides, rainwash, landslides, and floods.
Who is this one?
Sir, Janister.
Erosion. Well done. Goodbye. Overgrazing, overusing again using without leaving it for fertilizer. Sometimes soil should be left free. Class you will know how. Why?
Pesticides,
Pesticides.
rainwash, and floods.
Pesticides. Rainwash.
Landlines,
Landslides.
Floods.
And floods.
Landslides. As well as landslide and floods. Many more human action also should be there. Pollution should also. So these are the factors lead to the degradation of soil or soil erosion. Now, okay, one. Eraser. Question number 6. Explain, yeah, explain. अभी तो बोल दो नाम खाली. Explain the method of soil control. Now only name explanation afterwards.
Mulching,
Yeah,
contour barriers, rock
Yeah.
dam, terrace farming, intercropping, contour growing, shelter belts.
control barriers.
rock dam,
Yeah, rock dam,
terrace farming,
terrace farming,
Intercropping,
intercropping,
contour plowing,
shelter belt,
flying, rock dams, terrace farming, intercropping,
shelter
check,
belt,
and
shelter
shelter
belts, check dam भी कह सकते हैं, rock dams भी can check dam also. So mulching, computer, rock dam, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So these are the methods of soil gardening which are question can come for 5 marks to explain this. Because this chapter is coming in half yearly, so maybe you get 5 marks question.
Sir, half yearly or unit 1?
This chapter is coming in half yearly. First chapter coming in.
Sir, what about unit 1? Will it be writing or like
Writing,
MCQ?
writing. Both,
Okay.
and both MCQ as well as subjective. MCQ,
Okay.
5 marks MCQ, 15 marks writing.
So then we have to write on a paper.
Yeah, like
Not-
after, like finally you done same thing.
Oh, okay.
Paper will be sent to you, write on PDF send and check. Edit back. A question on this. Yeah. What? Name that. Soil found in India.
In India, soils could be alluvial, black, red, laterite, desert, and mountain soil.
Very good. That's and class you did about the importance of this soil, about that, how it is red, why it is red, what it includes. So alluvial, black soil, red, laterite, and desertic, and mountain.
Mountain soil.
So these are the questions related to soil. Inshallah.